Welcome back. I got another wand that's about to go off to Mooresville, North Carolina. This is an apprentice wand made of willow wood. It is 12 3/4 inches long and it has a phoenix feather core. Check it out. This wand was the wood itself was actually very nice to carve, and it had it didn't fight me on the grain or anything. It was just a very nice smooth process, and I thoroughly enjoyed making this one. It's got a nice little curve there which has a comfortable grip. And a little bit more about this wand. The core of this wand is kind of a picky core. That's how phoenix feathers can be when it comes to its owners and its own potential power, which makes sense considering the creatures that they come from. Phoenixes themselves are that way, and they are one of the most independent and detached creatures in the world. These wands are the hardest to tame and to personalize, and their allegiance is usually a very hard one. Willow can be an uncommon wandwood in some areas, but it has tremendous healing power, and I've noticed how these wands tend to be really good swift casting wands. They are lighter weight generally, depending on the design and thickness of them, but it makes for good swift casting. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know what you think below about this wand, and I will keep on working on getting the rest of these videos out. Thank you very much.